in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set price alerts on Trading 212. So Trading 212 is one of the biggest investing platforms right now, and it's the one that I personally use. And it's important to set price alerts if you want to keep track of a specific market. So let's see how we can do it. The first thing you need to do is search for the share or ETF you want, or wherever you want to set the price alert. In this case, let's search for NVIDIA, for example. So once we are here, we can scroll down until you see the price alerts. So the price alerts will notify you whenever this share increases or decreases the price in the specific percentage you set. So for example, if you set a price alert of plus 10%, it will notify you whenever this NVIDIA share increases its price in 10% on a specific amount of time. You can set it to alert you if it increases 10% in a day or in a week. And it's very simple. You just need to click the alert you want. For example, let's say this one, you just need to click. And now you got this price alert. You can click it again and you will get more information. So this is the price target. If it goes up to this price, you can see the actual price right here. So if it reaches this price, then you will get a notification. You can set a note if you want. For example, the price went up, and you can choose if you want this to be triggered every time the price reaches the specific price, but not more than once per day. You can enable or disable this. And then you can also choose change, which is not a specific price target. It will be a percentage target. So if it goes up or down 5%, you will get a notification. You can set this within an hour, a week, or a trading day. After you have done that, you can update your price alert. And now we can go here and search for our price alerts right here. As you can see, I have a lot of different ones. This is the only price alert of price target I have, and the rest are just change alerts that will notify me if it goes up or down a specific percentage. I did not create those alerts. As you can see here, it's an automatic price alert. Those alerts will be set each time a new position is open, but you can delete them right here if you want. I could cancel it and it will be deleted. If you want, we can also click the three dots right here and remove all of them. But in my case, I'm gonna cancel it. And you can also set portfolio volatility alerts. You can enable or disable this and set a specific percentage. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.